Technological advances such as 3D bioprinting applied to regenerative medicine could help millions of people who suffer from diseases of the 21st century. My goal as a business developer in REGEMAT 3D company, which passed in a very short period of time from a local-based company to international one, is not so much to provide bioprinting equipment, but to help researchers achieve a development for their specific application, to define their project in the fastest and cheapest way. So my job is to listen to the investigator, understand his or her requirements, and to link industry with science, being a union between REGEMAT's technical department and the research group, offering the best possible technology. And this does not end here. I want people to know about the importance of science for society, disseminating research results through social networks, everything which is in my hands, so that people know about the great effort is being made to improve their lives. I'm Zoukhra Battalova, business developer, REGEMAT 3D company.